Hi everyone, welcome to week 12. We're going to focus on cultural competency this week as well as diversity, thinking through the ways that this plays an important role in college and in our lives. We have the usual assignments that you're used to in terms of readings, the quiz, the mindful moment. We're going to talk about code switching this week in our discussion, which hopefully will be interesting because it's something that I think we all either do ourselves or we witness it in other people. And I think it's important to talk about why we do this and sort of how it shows up in our lives. And then the main assignment this week is actually a creative assignment. So if you've been waiting, you're an artist and you've been waiting for this opportunity to be creative, here it is. If you're not a creative person, that's okay, just do your best. I want you to be able to express sort of all the layers of yourself in terms of your own diversity and share that with others. If you haven't done so already but you would like to, there's still this extra credit assignment up for grabs until this date. So if you'd like to attend an event on campus, you can earn up to 20 points for completing that assignment. Have a good week and let me know if you have any questions.